Hello everyone. So we don't have to work directly under the hot sun. Today I'm going to show you how to make something awesome that can do the job for us. First, we'll use a T-connector. Heat up both ends until they get soft. Then attach 2 small plastic bottles to the connector. Cut a short piece of 21mm PVC pipe. After a few simple steps, we'll have a rotating shaft. Cut and connect the PVC pipes flexibly to finish the neck part and make the rotating shaft smooth and seamless. Drill holes in the 2 bottle caps, then attach them back to the T-connector like before. Make sure to use some strong adhesive to keep everything secure. Next, drill small holes in the plastic bottles so the water can spray out. By now, can you guess what I'm making today? I need to put in a stake to hold up the pipe. product I wanted to show you today. An automatic plant watering system powered by water pressure. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.